We are on our way to the waterfall. My mom's waiting for us at the pool. Mama. Let's go hike up a mountain. It's a mountain, right?
It's not a mountain. It's a trail. It's like half a mile up there and then half a mile back. It's a little hike.
We'll show ya.
Getting our workout. I know.
Okay, guys. We're gonna stop for some gas, and some snacks, and something to drink. But when you watch the time, whoa. When you watch the time, it says we were there 1:07, then 1:14, then 1:20. Now it's 1:35. I'm getting mad. I didn't stop. This is my first stop. So I don't know why.
Yeah, we don't know how to work the gas pump. It's great.
You put a card in and there was no, so I had to move because I put the card in and there was no like keypad.
What? Yeah.
There was no keypad. So I go to the next pump and it's still, I was pushing the keypad and it wasn't doing anything. So we have to come inside.
Michelle, did you bring it?
I was trying to avoid it.
I think I did, yeah.
Beware. Okay, it is 1 o'clock. We still have an hour left to get there. We're all tired. I'm tired. I drove a lot of ways. We stopped again because I had to go to the bathroom and we figured we should get food now because we don't want to stop again. And the water park, it says we'll get there at 2. The water park water fountain thing closes at 5, so we have like 2.5 hours to chill and see it and do the hike. We were all talking about how we knew if we had known that this drive was going to be more than 4 hours, because it says 4 hours, but we left the house at 8:30, well, the hotel, and it's now 1 and I still have another hour. Like, I don't understand. And we stopped. This is our second stop, so I don't know why it's taking so long, but hopefully we can get there and it'll make up for everything. But my mom was just outside stretching.
Much better.
Michelle and Sarah are in there getting some food. We drove 6 hours for it's a thunderstorm, but there's other cars that just got here, so I'm still going. I don't give a fuck. But I'm pretty mad about it. It's freaking gray outside. It started thundering the second we got here.
We opened the door. Thunder.
Like, what the heck? We don't need sunblock. I'm hoping it passes. We don't have any service, so we can't look at the radar. But stay tuned. We have to walk to get to. Listen, I don't know if you can hear me. You guys are in a plastic case. We got waterproof this.
Bubble.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Baby. Maybe you should also look down.
This is so much fun. And then my mom taking her time. We get an adventure. I can't tell if it's the rain or the waterfall. Okay, we didn't make it.
It downpoured.
To the
It looks
waterfall.
nice right now.
Flash flooding. Flash flooding.
It was like a river stream just going down where the trail was, and this little boy made it seem really serious. He was just like, it was literally in his words, "Do not go." Then I think it was like his dad or something was like, "Yeah, just so you know, it gets a little like slick down there."
So we don't listen.
And we're like, okay. So we kept going because we thought it was right there. So we kept going, and then this couple was like, I heard them. She goes, "It's too dangerous. I would turn around. It's not worth it."
He says it's gonna get more rocky and more unstable, and it's extremely flooded. We're like,
Yeah.
how many miles? A
Another-
mile. Nope.
So I turned back around. Of course, I said, watch, we're going to get up there and... Oh, I thought you were looking at that. I said, of course, we're going to get up there and it's going to stop raining and the sun's out. And look, it stopped raining and the sun is out. Mom almost died.
Oh, yeah, my heart. I'm a fat girl who just ate McDonald's.
She was like hyperventilating. And I kept stopping because I knew...
Daughter.
Well, because I know, I was like, she's either gonna fall, because I almost fell. So, hi, over here. I said, I almost fell. I know my mom's probably gonna fall. So I kept stopping and I waited for her, and then I waited and she goes, I said, oh, I'm glad I stopped. And so Michelle came back and I told her to go get the car. Sarah changed. So instead of wasting the day, I think we're just gonna go get some tattoos in Nashville somewhere.
What's up?
Told them. Stay tuned. We've been on the road for 30 minutes. It literally feels like 12 hours.
Forever.
We stopped to get gas. Michelle's making a mess of a salad over there.
That's kind of spicy. And now she's back.
Of course she is.
Here's my mother. She went and bought some flip-flops.
Change your shirt.
Something flew in her mouth.
Ew.
Listen.
That was gross.
What happened?
The bathroom.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
I thought something flew in your mouth.
No, I just had one of the drippings from the overhead hit me.
Yum.
Take us to the tattoo place. Hi. We're downtown Nashville.
We didn't expect to be here, but look, here we are.
We're here.
Michelle's eating salad.
Oh my god, Michelle.
She's like taking big bites. Our plan is to hopefully go and get some tattoos. So that way tomorrow we can just relax and not have to rush to do everything. No? Okay.
You can try.
Nobody agrees.
You can try.
Babe, come on.
Fucking come on, Michelle.
Half our time is gonna be with you eating salad.
Because I mean, he drags it out.
Nope. The one tattoo place, the minimum was $100, and the other one was $150.
Not happening.
Pass. We'll just go home and get a tattoo because I'd rather pay $50 for the shop minimum over $100 or $150. So now
We're just wandering.
we're just wandering around Nashville, downtown.
Crunch's bargain in the basement.
Kind of want some barbecue and a beer.
Nashville Inc. It's only $50 a month.
Okay.
That's a lot more reasonable.
What is it?
Where?
$50.
50.
It's that way.
What is it?
Nashville Inc. So it's
It's
that
how
way.
much?
$50.
I'll do 50. Let's go get tattoos. Are they? Did you tell them?
Yeah, they have some availability.
Did you tell them we were coming?
Hi.
Hi.
Get all together.
My mom's taking a video.
What are we doing?
Along with it.
Alright, I was gonna post this, but my phone won't do it, so Stephanie's doing it for me. Alright, you got this?
Hope so. She breathes.
I'm digging it.
Okay.
Oh, we're recording.
Yeah. I could take a video if you want to try again. Go ahead. I mean, a picture. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Pose. Okay, got it. So we had some good bum-ass barbecue. Mom didn't like her pulled sandwich.
Smoked. It wasn't real. It was liquid.
Both of you said it at the same time. Now we are going to get some tattoos. I'm trying to get Mom to get her nose pierced. She said no.
Something.
She's gonna get her. Maybe she'll get a tattoo.
This shit hurts.
Well, a tattoo? You got one. You got one on your leg.
Do you know how bad that hurt?
Whose fault was that?
Mine.
How long ago did you get that?
Like 20
Yeah,
something
why-
years ago.
Well, everyone's
About
I did.
25 years ago, and then I had it retouched up again about 15.
You got it covered up.
No, I didn't.
You had a piece.
I had a peace sign that looked like a child drew it. And then over that was supposed to go something else. And then it just turned into this big monstrous thing. Then it got faded out, so I had it retouched up. And that hurts, and I don't want to do it again.
It doesn't hurt.
The end.
Anyway, how we're getting our tattoos is nobody knows what anyone's getting except for whoever picked it. So Sarah and Michelle picked up mine. Michelle and I picked out Sarah's. And then me and what? Me and Sarah picked out Michelle's. And we won't know what it looks like until it's done. So that's what we're gonna do. There's that little girl.
Classy dicks.
Yeah.
And she doesn't know. It looks so good. I hope you like it, for real.
It happens.
Oh my god, you can't even hear it. That's what I like.
That is quiet.
Does it hurt?
This one stings a little bit.
I know. It's like, it like does a little burn.
You can get up, check it out, do some jumping jacks. I don't know.
Okay, look.
See? I told you you would like it.
I was gonna do the little thing.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
He said, "Oh, you finished."
We finished it for you.
I'm not kidding. My butt is so tight right now. I'm nervous. Whew. I'm breathing.
That's what she said.
It's the toes that hurt the most. Ooh. Oh, fuck.
Like holding on to like already. Don't get my hair on. I said don't.
Get that.
Done.
Yeah, you can hop up, check it out.
Ready?
You like
Oh,
it?
yeah. Ooh. I like it.
Recording not what I expected, but
Because it's on there. It's there. So
know what it is.
It's a mermaid.
I was nervous.
Some mermaid tail.
It's a mermaid. Yes. I love it.
Mom was nervous because you said you were getting one.
I am getting another one, but she's gonna be blue and curvy and gorgeous. Yes.
You can add to that too.
Steve.
The testicles.
Just the tip.
What a vision.
That big vein that goes down the side. It's gotta have dimension.
No, you
Remember, this is on your body forever.
I know.
You want it to look authentic.
You wanna check it out? You gonna
Can I look now?
You can look.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to go in the mirror to look. Bend your hand.
Is there claw marks under the chair?
And it's
Oh,
we
that's
changed it to
cute.
lavender because it was a rose.
Oh, that is cute.
It'll lighten up a whole lot right there.
Okay.
Told you you would like it.
Darker than it is.
We did it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Right.
You're so ladylike.
Okay, so we got our tattoos. Now we're on our way to a candy shop.
Ooh, it's cold up in here.
Oh, we love it. Oh my god, look at all this candy. Holy cow.
Chocolate soda.
Ew. Oh, you already gave it to me. Mommy! We are heading back to our hotel. Probably another 6-hour drive, but we're gonna hope and pray that it's really only 3 hours, like our phone tells us. So today didn't go as well as we wanted it. It didn't
Shit
go
happens.
well. It didn't go as planned,
It was planned.
but it was still a lot of
Fun.
fun. And we got our tattoos. We'll send you some clips. Good day. Okay, so we stopped for gas. Time seems to be pretty good. She's so tired. We have an hour and 23 minutes until we get back to the hotel. We are going to just take it easy tomorrow. My car needs a break. We've been driving like for days non-stop since Wednesday. So tomorrow will kind of just be up in the air with what we do. We'll be relaxing and sleeping, hopefully taking a dip and getting a tan on, but it's supposed to rain, so who knows. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and thank you for watching.